for that to last.
Yeah, so we can expect a lot of this morning rain to last until we at least reach the afternoon. That's when we have a nice brief moment where we'll have some drier conditions before a strong to severe threat comes our way. So plenty of rain here for our Friday. The weekend, however, still looking spectacular. Before we get to that, though, if you are headed out the door, this is what you're running into. Some pretty gloomy skies across the area, not to mention the rain currently falling. Temperatures are warmer than they were this time yesterday. Kind of showing you that difference once again between clear skies overnight versus cloudy skies that have some moisture, some rain present. It does keep things a little warmer. So we're at 63 in Rochester, 6 degrees warmer to be exact, 64 in Austin, Charles City, Mason City. Generally 60s across the board. Not a lot of blue to see here, though. We're seeing more of this yellow color. And yes, temperatures are expected to slowly rise despite that lack of some sunshine here for the morning. As I mentioned, rain chances will be lasting through the morning commute, in some areas lighter than others. It's been very interesting to watch the satellite and radar here throughout the morning hours. Radar's been picking up on a lot of scattered showers here to the east. More of those isolated storms and, of course, some heavier showers further on to the west. Right as a lot of this has been crossing 35, it's been weakening, kind of spreading out, becoming more of that widespread rainfall. However, we're starting to see some areas keep our shape a little bit more. We're going to do a tad bit of radar hopping just to show some areas that have been getting a little bit heavier of the rain than others. Zooming in now, Albert Lea, of course it's raining there. Clarks Grove, Austin now in a bit of a pocket of more heavy rainfall as we speak. Further to the south, as I mentioned, more on the isolated side, but plenty of lightning to be seen. Forest City getting some rainfall, Mason City, really most of us getting rain. It's just a matter of how heavy. Now, over the last couple hours, I was concerned about what was coming on in from the west, luckily kind of losing some of its stability, if you will. It was more a complete line that continues to weaken. Now, as for our severe threat, I'm going to continue through the morning. This is around 9 a.m. Then I'm going to fast forward to about 3 p.m. This is where we're watching that potential for severe weather. So we're not done with the rain yet. Once we get past the morning commute and this rainfall takes a brief break, the severe chance does come back. As of right now, many of us find ourselves in a level 1 risk, but many across North Iowa in a level 2 risk. We will be watching for all forms of severe weather possible with this passing throughout the afternoon. However, winds and hail, the more main concern, plus the heavy rain. Luckily, we've got that beautiful weekend on the way to help dry things out. All of that before we head into the next work week and more rain becomes possible.
We're hitting it at the right time as far as the nice temperatures go then, at least.
I agree. Yeah. Saturday, Sunday, give us the sunshine. Love it.
For sure. Okay, Sarah, thank you.